Have you ever wondered what the future holds for the integration of AI in electronics? Imagine the possibilities as artificial intelligence continues to revolutionize industries far and wide, from healthcare to entertainment. Now consider its potential in the realm of electronics, where it could redefine how we interact with devices and systems. The implications are vast, and the possibilities thrilling. To answer this question, we first need to understand the timeline of AI's development and its integration into electronics. The journey of AI is quite fascinating, dating back to the mid-20th century. AI, or artificial intelligence as we call it, first came into existence in the year 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference. This is where the term artificial intelligence was coined, marking the birth of AI as we know it. Moving ahead to the 1980s, a significant milestone was reached with the creation of neural networks. Inspired by human brain structure, these networks paved the way for AI to learn and adapt, just like us. It was an era of optimism, with AI beginning to show its potential in many areas. Then came the 90s, a time when AI was predominantly used in logistics, data mining, and medical diagnosis. This was the advent of machine learning, a subset of AI that uses statistical techniques to give machines the ability to learn. Machine learning was instrumental in making AI more practical and applicable to real-world problems. As we entered the new millennium, AI took another giant leap forward with the rise of deep learning. Deep learning, another subset of AI, uses algorithms to model high-level abstractions in data. This gave AI the ability to recognize patterns and make decisions, pushing the boundaries of what was previously thought possible. In the last decade, we've seen AI become a part of our everyday lives. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation algorithms on Netflix and Amazon, AI has made a significant impact on the way we live and work. The development of AI has been a journey of relentless innovation and creativity. It's a journey that has transformed industries, reshaped economies, and changed the way we perceive the world. But the story of AI doesn't end here. In fact, it's just beginning. Now that we've seen the evolution of AI, let's look at how it has been integrated into electronics.